Hare Krishna. In Vrindavan and especially in Barsana, there is a folk song. So they sing, the wordings are like Manhari ka roop banaya, Sham chudi bechne aaya, which means Krishna dressed up like a bangle seller and he is round. He's going round and round selling bangles. So why Krishna has to sell bangles? Why has he taken up that form? Because Radharani is angry. Radharani ne मान कर लिया है, रूठ गई है. So she is angry and Krishna want to pacify. So when we get angry, we don't really have a place to go. But Srimati Radharani has a whole temple. So in Mangarh, there is a place where Srimati Radharani would go when she is angry. So she was there. And why was she angry? She was angry because actually one day the Ras Leela, the dancing was going on, and suddenly Lord Shiva enters in the Ras arena dressed as a gopi. And he was so excited because it was like a dream come true for him. So though he was dressed like a gopi, but he's Lord Shiva. So he is expert in doing Tandav, not the dance of Ras Leela. So he was just not conscious like where and all he was throwing his hands and legs and dancing like Tandav Nritya. Everyone froze and only Shiva was dancing, and Radharani was like upset about that. And Krishna, he goes there and he says, oh, this is Shiva. And that day he gives him the name Gopeshwar, the topmost gopi. Now the Radharani completely freaked out. Like, if he is the topmost gopi, then what about me? So that is why she was angry and she's sitting there in Mangarh. So Krishna goes to pacify, but Krishna was not allowed access because the gopis thought that if Krishna will go, then Radharani will get more angry. It will disappoint, it will displease Radharani. So they were not allowing. So not only bangle seller, but different roop, different forms Krishna was taking, and he was just trying to somehow sneak in and enter. Krishna took the form of a milkman. Krishna took the form of garland person, like different vendors he was trying, but every time, access denied, access denied. It was happening like this. So finally, Lalita Sakhi gave him an idea. He told him, okay, she showed him some place and she said that you go down there and you dance like a peacock. And when Radharani will come and she'll see you, she'll find you dancing like a peacock, her heart would be pleased. So Krishna accepted that and Krishna went down. So this place actually where he comes, this place is known as Mor Kutir. So Krishna comes here and Krishna starts dancing like a peacock. And when Krishna is dancing, who can defeat? What to talk of material, mundane peacocks? Nobody can be, like Krishna cannot be the second in anything. So he was an expert dancer. He was dancing there, and when Radharani came, she was so pleased to see that peacock that she goes forward and she picks up that peacock. She thought, while saying that I'll take this peacock home, she picks that peacock. And at that moment, peacock turned into Krishna. And then Radharani started laughing, and this is how their quarrel was pacified. And then both of them, they dressed like peacock and both of them danced there. So this place is known as Mor Kutir. So there is Man Mandir where Radharani gets angry and she sits. And at the bottom of that hill is this Mor Kutir. Hare Krishna.